In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an unsubscribe link in ActiveCampaign easily as part of our 2025 guide. Adding an unsubscribe link is not only crucial for compliance with email regulations like CAN spam and GDPR, but it also improves your relationship with your audience by ensuring that they have control over their subscription to your messages. Let's get started. First, you need to log into your ActiveCampaign account. Once you've signed in, navigate to the left-hand menu and select the Campaigns tab. Here you can either create a new email campaign or open an existing one that you'd like to edit. We'll dive into the editing process in just a moment. Now, with your email opened in the ActiveCampaign email editor, scroll down to the bottom of your email message. This is the usual spot where unsubscribe links are located, making it easy for recipients to find. Click within the email body, typically in the footer area where you'd like the unsubscribe option to appear. Once you've clicked, you'll want to draft a straightforward yet polite message. A great example might be, if you no longer wish to receive our emails, you can unsubscribe here. The aim is to be both clear and courteous, providing a seamless experience for the user. Next step is crucial. Highlight the unsubscribe here text within your message. Look for the link icon, usually depicted as a small chain or link symbol in the toolbar above. Clicking on it will allow you to enter a URL. For the URL, you'll enter the ActiveCampaign unsubscribe tag, which is %unsubscribe link sent. This tag will automatically convert to a functioning unsubscribe link when you send out the email. After entering the tag, confirm your action by clicking OK or Insert. This ensures that everything is properly linked and the tag is set to do its job. Remember, once the email is sent, ActiveCampaign takes over and turns that simple tag into a personalized unsubscribe link for each recipient. For those wanting a bit of creative freedom, here's an optional step. You can style your unsubscribe link. Feel free to adjust the font size or color to match your email's overall design, but make sure that it's still visible and easy to click. When you're satisfied with your work, hit Save and Exit. Now would be a smart time to send a test email to yourself. This allows you to double check that the unsubscribe link behaves as expected, leading to a page where users can confirm their desire to unsubscribe. And here's a pro tip. If you're designing custom HTML emails, remember that ActiveCampaign usually includes an unsubscribe link in most templates, but with custom designs, always ensure to manually include the %unsubscribe link tag to stay within legal boundaries. By following these steps, you've efficiently added an unsubscribe link to your ActiveCampaign emails, keeping your emails compliant and user-friendly.